How to keep rabbits out of your garden. Rabbits are so cute and adorable, and people love to watch them run through their yard. Unfortunately, rabbits also like many of the same vegetables we do and can do a lot of damage in your garden. If you want to keep rabbits out of your garden without using pesticides or chemicals, check out these all-natural solutions that truly work. 1. Hair clippings. Rabbits despise the scent of human hair, and it makes them fearful of being approached by a person. Hair clippings can be sprinkled throughout your garden to disperse the scent and make them think people are close by. 2. Plant flowers that repel. Rabbits dislike the aroma of both alyssum and marigolds, so they will stay away from these plants. Plant these flowers at the edges of the place where rabbits are likely to enter. 3. Visual deterrence. Try placing metal pinwheels, rubber snakes, and even owl statues around your garden. Rabbits aren't fond of snakes and owls, and the pinwheels are shiny and make noise. If you decide to use these deterrents, rotate them on a regular basis to avoid the rabbits becoming accustomed to seeing them in the same area. 4. Make noise. Place a wind chime or several cans on a string so that they make noise when the wind blows. Rabbits are sensitive to noise and may flee if they detect even the tiniest disturbance. 5. Remove ground cover. Avoid having spots in or near the garden where rabbits may hide or nest, since this makes them feel more secure. Keep wood piles and lawn debris far away from your garden. 6. Use chicken wire. Chicken wire is a low-cost, high-impact solution to protect your plants. Use chicken wire around the perimeter of the garden to function as a fence. Make sure the bottom of the wire is several inches into the ground to prevent rabbits from getting under it. 7. Use netting around plants. Netting can be used as a last resort to safeguard your plants and protect them from nibbling rabbits. Because these nets are light and thin, there's no need to worry about them crushing or weighing down plants. 8. Strong scents. Shred a bar of ivory or Irish Spring soap, wrap it in cheesecloth, tie it to a stake, and place it throughout the garden. Sprinkle black pepper, crushed red pepper, or garlic powder liberally in your garden beds, reapplying after a few weeks or after rain. You may need to try a few of these approaches or even combine a few to get the best results and keep your garden rabbit-free. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.